Hey guys, I'm about to check in to my new hotel. I'm gonna stay at Aloft in Sukhumvit 11. That's in the center of Bangkok, close to all the nightclubs, bars, restaurants, shopping malls. So perfect location. I've been to this area quite a few times already, so I'm looking forward to staying here for the next 2 nights. And let's check in. Let's have a look at the hotel, check out the room, and at night I'm gonna show you Soi 11. This is the lobby area of the Aloft Hotel. You even have a pretty cool pool table, so maybe I can find someone to have a match tonight. And yeah, a lot of pretty cool sitting areas. You got a bar. I just checked in. I'm staying in room 3211. And let's have a look how it looks like. Here we are. I'm staying in a suite. So once you enter, you're first in the living area. That's how it looks like. It's really spacious. You got a sitting area with a huge flat screen TV. Then over here we have a small desk, coffee and tea making, minibar, well equipped with Singer, one of my favorite beers, water, and then pretty cool. I got all the ingredients to prepare my very own gin tonic. That's a pretty nice detail. I like it. Let's continue. Next here we have the living area, and look at this. The hotel is called Aloft, and it looks really like a loft. Look at this amazing window. Pretty cool. Another huge flat screen TV, but I doubt that I'm gonna use it because look at this. While laying in the bed, you have this incredible view of Bangkok. So much light is coming in here, and if you follow me for a while, you know that I really like rooms that are like with lots of natural daylight. And I also like all the details here on the walls. You can see temples and Mahanakhon Skywalk, the highest building of Bangkok. So it's pretty cool, all these little arts on the wall. I also like this sitting area. You're like laying under the window, so you can like look at the sky and enjoy the view of all these amazing skyscrapers in Bangkok. Bangkok is really a nice city, and yeah, we are on top of Bangkok. It seems this building for sure is higher than all the surrounding buildings, so you can look really far. Let's continue. Yeah, we have a safety box, hair dryer, iron board. Yeah, all the amenities that you would expect from such a hotel. And now let's check out the bathroom. What I like most here, if you know me, you will know this bathtub. I'm really a huge fan of bathtubs, and yeah, even better if you can have a nice view from inside the bathtub. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but in the distance you can even see the Chao Phraya River. That's super cool. So yeah, bathtub, of course. We also have a shower, 2 different settings, so something for everyone. A huge mirror. That's also pretty nice. Makes the room also much bigger, and again, lots of daylight coming in here. And yeah, it's just like, it creates a very nice atmosphere. That's my room, suite at the Aloft in Bangkok. I'm gonna stay here for 2 nights. I just booked a dinner already. If you remember, downstairs next to the pool table, there were a couple of tables. That's where I'm gonna have dinner later at 6 p.m. I will show you all the food here. For now, I'm gonna relax a little bit in my suite, and then I will take you downstairs to floor 8, I think it is, to check out the rooftop pool and the 24-hour gym. Okay guys, I'm all changed, and before going to dinner, it's time to do some workout. So let me show you the gym at the hotel. The gym is really spacious. Here we have the cardio machines with huge windows, so lots of daylight is coming in. All kind of machines for leg workout, chest, back there are some free weights as well. We also have yoga mats and water. So there's really everything you need to create a good workout. For hotel gym, this is really well equipped. And from the gym, we can see the rooftop beach. And let's have a look at this one. It's a good motivation. First workout, and then, afterwards, relaxing at the pool. So we're going out here, pool, and they're playing nice music everywhere in the hotel. So this is the rooftop area on the 10th floor of the hotel. Hello, Sawadee. We got a nice pool bar here as well. So yeah, look at this. What an amazing place to hang out, to do nothing, or to recover after a full day of exploring Bangkok. Maybe you want to go shopping, maybe you want to try all the street food there is in Bangkok, go to the temples, and yeah, afterwards you come back here and you can relax. Guys, I'm back at the WXYZ restaurant at the ground level of the hotel, and after the workout and the relaxing at the pool, I ordered food and it was absolutely amazing, really delicious. Let me show you. A nice chicken burger, a salad, and look at these cocktails. They look really beautiful. That's how the place looks like at night. Nicely illuminated, lots of small details. The pool table in the center of the place. What is inside these cocktails? How did you prepare them?
This one we call ulang ulu.
Ulang ulu?
Yes, and the main ingredient is raspberry puree and some limes and lemons.
Okay.
This one will be little spicy.
A little spicy?
Make you exciting with the lime scent and spiciness from red chilies.
Okay, that sounds very good. It looks beautiful.
Sour and spicy.
Sour and spicy. Nice. And the other one?
This one is we call Viva Dang Dut. We make the ingredient from black tea and ginger syrup is the main.
Okay.
So, even if it's cold, it's gonna make you feel warm inside.
Make me feel warm. Okay.
This one will be sweet and aromatic.
And if you're into nightlife, I can tell you one of my favorite clubs in Bangkok is actually inside the very same building, I think on the 8th floor. So it's a cool spot to get some drinks before getting in the mood, and then you just have to take the lift up to the club. Do you want to see something really, really cool? Guys, look at this view. It's absolutely breathtaking. It was amazing at night, during the day already, but look how it looks like at night. So cool. Up there's the moon, and I think I'm not gonna sleep, not even 1 second tonight. I just gonna lay in bed enjoying this incredible view. Wow. Guys, I really can't get enough of this view. And you might remember the bathtub that I showed you earlier. That's how it looks like at night. So I'm preparing a bath here, and also from inside the hot water I can enjoy incredible city views. Good morning, guys. I slept really, really well, and now it's time for breakfast, and that's served on the 8th floor at the Crave restaurant. So let's have a look what they have. So if you have some very good looking cinnamon rolls, definitely gonna try those ones. Different types of cakes, then juices. So here we have different Indian dishes. Indian dal, it's very good. Then butter chicken. You can also order a noodle soup and let them prepare it to your likings. Of course, the different types of eggs. I think I'm gonna try the avocado toast with egg, and waffles and pancakes, sausages. So this breakfast buffet is really huge. I think they have something for everyone. And now it's time to try the food. And I need my first coffee today.